Welcome to MODARA Group. We specialize in building and scaling transformative solutions across technology, hardware, software, education, R&D, IP development, OEM manufacturing, and global venture building. Through our network of affiliated companies and strategic partners, MODARA Group connects innovation with real-world market opportunities across multiple regions and industries. As we continue our global expansion, we are ready to collaborate with visionary partners, investors, innovators, and organizations looking to shape the future with us. We are a dynamic global venture building and innovation group, connecting technology, industry, R&D, IP development, education, OEM manufacturing, and strategic partnerships into one integrated ecosystem. Through our affiliated companies, regional teams, and international partner network, we help transform bold ideas into scalable, market-ready solutions. With growing activities across the Americas, Europe, Africa, Asia, the Middle East, and Eurasian markets, MODARA Group creates powerful synergies across multiple industries and regions. Our diverse MODARA Group ecosystem brings together scientists, technologists, business leaders, and global experts across multiple regions and industries. Supported by a growing international network of partners, advisors, and technical resources, MODARA Group drives innovation at scale, turning complex challenges into scalable opportunities. Our expertise spans hardware, software, education, and consultation. From IoT devices and smart sensors to AI-driven software solutions and skill-building programs, we deliver scalable, innovative tools. MODARA Group drives change through forward-thinking solutions in Agri-Tech, AI, IoT, healthcare technology, digital transformation, and sustainable industry development. By combining advanced technologies with global partnerships, we help tackle challenges in sustainability, workforce modernization, and smarter systems, inviting partners to shape the future with us through data-driven innovation. MODARA Group's kitchen structure powers tailored innovation through specialized hubs and affiliated companies across regions, including the Americas, LATAM, Africa, Europe, Eurasia, and the Middle East. These dynamic units focus on areas such as AI, cybersecurity, AIoT and IoT, intelligent automation, and R&D and digital twin sandboxes, ensuring every solution is both globally connected and locally relevant. MODARA Group is ready to collaborate on reselling opportunities, OEM manufacturing, IP commercialization, educational program development, government digitization initiatives, and strategic venture partnerships. By joining forces, we can expand market potential, accelerate innovation, and turn breakthrough solutions into scalable global opportunities through advanced technology integration and impactful partnerships. Our kitchens bring together strategic partners, domain experts, and advanced technology capabilities to develop customized hardware, national digitization solutions, and real-time HSSE monitoring systems. Through this collaborative model, MODARA Group creates scalable products and integrated solutions that support smarter operations across construction, healthcare, infrastructure, and AI-driven industries. Our digital twin and AIoT sandbox solutions connect real-world operations with intelligent digital environments. By combining IoT data, AI analytics, automation, and simulation, we help organizations test ideas, monitor assets, predict risks, and improve decisions faster. With MODARA, innovation becomes easier to validate, scale, and deploy across industries. Our PMO and transformation kitchens optimize business processes through data analytics, Lean Six Sigma, and agile methodologies. Partner with us to reimagine operations, enhance product management, and drive customer-centric innovations that fuel business growth. From automation and prototyping to intellectual property strategy and market analysis, our R&D services accelerate innovation. Collaborate with us to design connected things, train in cutting-edge AI, or develop custom education solutions that prepare you for tomorrow's digital economy. Connect with us today at hello@modaragroup.com or visit www.modaragroup.com. Let's partner to grow, innovate, and lead as we create the technologies of the future.